Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can filter your search results in the PrivacyWall search engine really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to PrivacyWall.org, enter the search term here at the top, for example. Let me go, for example, with, for instance, with that search entry here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is, for example, select all to gain access to all of the associated websites under that search term here on the internet on PrivacyWall. Alternatively, you may head over to images under the search term, videos, maps. You may also narrow down your search by clicking on tools here. And for example, change the interface language here on PrivacyWall. However, you may also sort your or filter your search results by date. For example, past day, past week, past month, past year. Or enable the save search feature here, or head over and go a bit more in-depth by accessing the advanced search feature. And here, for example, narrow down your search to a specific search term and look, for example, for specific websites under, let's say, with exact words or phrases. So simply type in the exact word or phrase here to filter it out, or search results by that, or by language, or by publishing or update date, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may go through these advanced features here and simply narrow down your search to find the exact or the best search result here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.